On the outside, Run Gill. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get ready. Here we come. Let's stand and wave. We'll start on that number 4 turn. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's wave to the drivers. They'll be waving at you, and here they are waving to you. You are waving to stars. You're going to put on the show. Let's do it down at number 1 turn. Everybody standing and waving in the pit area on the back straightaway. They're coming at you. I want you to stand and wave for the drivers in the pits, and here they come. Let's wave over there in the pit area. And you are waving. Come up to that number 4, 3 turn, and you are waving. Ladies and gentlemen, a few hot laps to get everything warmed up. Tires, engines, gauges, drivers all getting set to go. We're about ready to get underway with the American Race Truck Series. Bobby Deal, Paul Grenovich leading the front row. Dennis Rockenhouse, Ron Gill, second row, third row, Tony Grenovich and Todd Montrager, 2 seasoned drivers who know each other well, who know the circuit good many times. Gary Foxworth, Doug Miller in the 4th row, Ralph Chastain and Keith Warfield in the 5th row. A few hot laps yet to go. Leonard McHugh and Mickey Hampton in the next row, followed by George Massell, Skip Sierra, Sean Isley, Paul Grenovich the 3rd, and Danny Foster, Ron Losser. And we're just about set to go. This will be 35 laps of non-stop racing. About set to slow things down to go into staging, and we're going into staging right now. And there is the man, Bobby Deal on the inside, has clear track ahead of him. Hope to keep it that way for 35 laps. The Todd's Tractor Service, the 8T. Sean Isley has a ways to go coming from the rear. Some of these drivers from the rear are newlywed. The number 44, Paul Grenovich the 3rd, knows his track well. He can come from the rear. So the drivers get the signal. 1 lap to go next time around. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the American Race Truck Series about to put on their show for you this evening. Fans, pick out your favorite, cheer them on, root them. Let's have some fun. We're just about set to go. I know a lot of people sentimental favorite number 54. He happens to be one of our only Speedway drivers. So here we come on the number 4 turn. Green flag is down. We are underway. We're heading down deep that number 1 turn off that number 2. And it is still now the number 40 comes through, and a new leader on the Speedway. Number 40, Paul Grenovich takes it down the back straightaway with the wheel. Bobby Deal runs back in 2nd. And the number 18, who started 4th, is now up in 3rd. Car truck number 3, making his move already. The black number 3 in there. Dennis Rockenhouse making a good run so far. Grenovich still your leader, followed by number 6 is Bobby Deal. In the back, good battle going on. The 2 truck number 99 side one, Leonard McHugh of St. Petersburg. Tires are flying, wheels are flying. The red number 99, George Massell of Safety Harbor in the Deco boat lift. We've seen that, but just see as was happening. So we're waiting to see if everybody's all right. Leonard McHugh of St. Petersburg, the Q Auto Injury Attorney, Seekins Paint, the white car, and the red truck on the back straightaway. George Massell of Safety Harbor in the Deco boat lift in a Ford. So as soon as we hear any further word of these drivers, of course, Leonard McHugh, the guy that sponsors us so much in the world of racing, has a scholarship fund set up for kids in racing. Also sponsor mini stocks. So red flag conditions are on the Speedway at the present time. Everything under red. We have 15 laps into this event momentarily. Beautiful case of stuff in here. Car care kit, auto trim design from Bill Davis. We're going to give this away on a very, it may be an easy trivia, it may not. Football season is on us, and we're all Tampa Bay Buccaneer fans, so everybody knows this answer. First one to come up with the answer will win. Tampa Bay Buccaneers had their first victory, big celebration. National news everywhere. All you gotta do is simply tell me who was a quarterback for the Tampa Bay Bucs in the first win when they beat the Saints and Archie Manning. Who was the Tampa Bay Buc quarterback when they beat the Saints and Archie Manning in the very first win? Come up here, I'll give you a professional auto trim design car care kit from Bill Davis. No, not Vince Ferragamo. No, not O'Donnell. What was that? Neil O'Donnell? No, no. Not Doug Williams. Okay, tough old drivers, aren't they? Well, to you American Race Truck officials, we thank you for coming out here tonight, putting on the show again for us. The fans love this truck racing, and I like it. I think it's great. It's a little different. We're not used to seeing the trucks running out here, and it's different. And this is more to it than what we see right here. That thing is what?
This is a nationwide series. We have like 7 different venues running throughout the whole country. Every once in a while, we all get together and have as a national meet where we wind up with 50, 60, 70 trucks at a time. These are just a few of them. Right here in the state of Florida, we have 36 trucks that are on the books. We're working hard to get all of them back with us, but it's taken a little while.
Well, it certainly takes time to build something like this up. You guys have done a super job, and I know we hear a lot about the American Race Truck Series, and keep up the good work. Thanks for being at Desoto with us.
Well, thank you. This is one of our favorite tracks to come to. We seem to have a lot better, cleaner racing here, so we hope to be back several times.
Good. Always welcome. All right, we're back to racing. The American Race Truck Series is about ready to get back underway. Bob Bontrager will take down the front straightaway. The straightaway second and third will be Gill. Now, truck number 13 has been moving up through the field. The number 13, Ralph Chastain now. We have number 31, Doug Miller out of Fort Myers right now. Also in the backfield,
us in towing and also for donating money to our Driver's Points Fund.
You know, Steve White, he sponsors a lot of our vehicles here at the track, a lot of cars. Steve White is one of the guys, we have a number of guys, I said before, one evening I'm going to go down the list of people that work behind the scenes that have done so much for us at the track. Never ask for anything. You never see him. They're behind the scenes working. Steve White is one of these guys, and he will be mentioned as one of the people that does so much for the Speedway behind the scenes. Can't say enough about it. We have a number of guys at this Desoto Speedway that are very dedicated to helping the Speedway, and that's one of them. We're proud to have him. So Steve White, wherever you're at, tip of the hat comes to you from the American Race Trucks.
We'd like to thank you for all your help and everything you've done for us.
And here we got 23 laps. I'll tell you what, I've been watching. The first 5 trucks are pretty well set, but you go back, and at number 13, he keeps battling, comes up, and he keeps going a little bit too high through the turns.
Yeah.
This guy keeps on coming. He can play into this at the end of the road. Alright, well, there we go once again. Todd Bontrager continues to set the pace. Stayed up there on the Speedway. Bontrager, Grenovich second, third will be Gill. Number 48, this truck also moving well. Sylvia Grenovich. Sylvia Grenovich, number 48, moving well. Number 3 out there, David Rockenhouse. We have a total of 10 laps to go. 10 laps for this. Goes in the record books for the American Truck Series. Bob Traeger, not even minute. Bill Rodman by himself. Grenovich solid second. Solid third is Neil Rockenhouse running in that 4th position. Caution flag on the Speedway for the number 47 on the back straightaway. Skip Sierra from Clearwater to Southern Thunder driving the Dodge. Truck in trouble on the back straightaway. Get started off. He will come back out onto the Speedway. Well, race fans, do you think old Bontrager can do it tonight? Yeah, a lot of them think so. How about Grenovich? He's been doing real good too. Let's give him a round. He's one of our local drivers. Grenovich used to be the pro figure 8 driver. So it's a lot of local talent in here. Oh, we got some more door prize giveaway?
Yeah, we have some more Mo-Kart giveaways.
Do you have a trim you'd like to do? Drivers out of Sarasota, Sean Isley, a non-sponsored vehicle, driving the Chevrolet.
I've done this